Hey, what's up guys? We got a super exciting day today. Lamborghini Huracan finally arrived from Florida, Miami. Let's go take a look and see what kind of car we got. Super excited. Let's go take a look. All right, open up already. Let's see our Lamborghini. Super stoked. There she is, stashed away. So we're gonna try to jump this thing. They couldn't get it started, but we'll give it a shot. All right, we got the car in neutral.
If one other person or pull, there we go. Lamborghini! Чуть-чуть вправо. Вправо. Okay, прямо. Чуть-чуть вправо again. Alright. Alright. It's gonna roll by itself, so прямо.
So you got it in, huh? You found it?
I got it in, baby girl.
Отпусти еще. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
You're right there.
More.
You keep going up. Right.
Okay, we're good. Kenochi, I want to ask if you want a flatbed, I can raise it.
No, just drop it. We'll roll it. Yeah.
Alright, it's gonna be at an incline right now, so it'll just roll by. Go off the shots.
It won't start?
No, maybe that battery or something.
How can we?
So yeah, this is the cleanest Lamborghini I ever bought from a salvage yard. No damage whatsoever, just minor. Let's try to start. See, I'm pushing the start and the car won't start. Alright guys, we got the Lamborghini back at the shop. The car don't start because the airbags blew up. Usually when that happens, there's like some kind of a safety switch. So we ordered the safety switch, but there is a trick how you start the car, so check it out. So yeah, check it out. So this circuit blew out, so it doesn't let the car crank up, but there's a trick. What you do, you put it to a plus.
Plus in that.
You put two pluses together.
Like that.
Like that. So one from the battery into the circuit. And let's see. Let's see if it's gonna crank up. Alright, that's gonna be a first try. Let's give it a shot. Boom! And the car starts like magic. Damn, super low miles. 67,000 miles, 3,367 miles. So yeah, beautiful car. We'll start working on it very shortly. And then another trick. How do you put a Lamborghini in neutral? So there's the center cap that you pop it out. And then there's this special key, and what you do, you put it in here, slide and lift it up. Boom, the car is in neutral now. You could roll the car around back and forth, no problem. And boom, the car is back in park. All right, let's take a closer look at the Lamborghini. And we'll pull the car inside and I'll show you guys what exactly we got, all the parts. But for now, let's take a closer look at the damage in the car. All right, so obviously the hood is damaged. Left side coolant system is damaged. We got a new one. Center radiator, we got a new one. Also got the fender liners. The back end is perfect. The whole car, by the way, is wrapped in a clear bra, so that's a very expensive option. And the paint underneath is Practically brand new. No scratches, no door dings, no nothing. Right side completely intact. Nothing is broken. Up front right here, no frame damage. So the only thing is bent is this little bar, but it's an easy repair. And broken bracket. No frame damage whatsoever. Suspension is good. So yeah, practically brand new car. Let's take a closer look inside. Inside, airbag is blown, new one as well. Seat belts in good condition, working condition. So yeah, super clean. Alright, we got the Lamborghini in the shop. Let's take a closer look and see exactly what kind of parts we got with the car. Alright, those are all the parts, old and new. We'll start with the bumper. So we got the front bumper with all the sensors and wires and grills. That's the new bumper. We got both fender liners. Center radiator got damaged, so we got a new center radiator, all the air ducts. We got a lowered shield. Also got a new headlight, all the air ducts, new hinges, all the hoses. Left side radiator condenser got damaged, so we got a brand new condenser, new radiator, new fan. Also we got a new hood. Also we got a new airbag. We got a new steering wheel. I don't know why, but we got a new steering wheel. So for the most part, we got all the parts. We're missing 4 parts. We're missing the original fender. We're missing the left fender. We're also missing the driver's airbag. And we're also missing the reinforcement. We got the damaged reinforcement. We checked all the invoices. New fender, new reinforcement. Airbag should be there. So we're gonna call the Copart, try to figure it out what happened to the rest of the parts. And we'll try to contact the body shop that ordered all the parts and did a tear down in the car. So hopefully everything goes well. We could locate those parts and we'll start working on the car very shortly. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I've been through a whole lot, but I still love it. Sacrifices I have made, but I still love it. Everybody wanna change.